And it is a cold night that is shaping up across West Michigan after a very cold kickoff to the month of March. You know, typically we tend to turn the corner towards some warmer days ahead. This time around, it feels like we've taken a giant step backward. Now, here's the live look out over downtown Holland. Those snow flurries and light snow showers continuing in a few locations, but those will be winding down very quickly. And just to give you an idea of where we're at so far with seasonal snowfall totals, we have officially picked up as a total 62.1 inches of snow, a little bit below where we should be by this time of the year, but it's been pretty evenly spread out through several months. In fact, we picked up 11.3 inches of snow during the month of November, including a record snow event the Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend, a little less than 20 inches of snow for December, a little more than 20 inches for January, 10 inches for February. And if you think that this has been a snowy season here in West Michigan, Gaylord up in the northern part of Lower Michigan has had its snowiest winter season on record since they moved offices at the National Weather Service, so they've moved the reporting station. Nonetheless, it has been a very snowy season, almost 186 inches of snow so far, 3 times more than we've officially picked up so far this season in Grand Rapids. So where are we heading? Well, it'll be a cold and quiet night. Winds continue to calm down, and the snow showers that are still left over are falling apart as well. Windy, mild, and wet weather moves in for the middle of the week, Tuesday into Wednesday. We do have colder air then that will be on the horizon as we wrap up that system during the day Thursday, and that'll bring us just a few isolated snow flurries. As you can see, temperatures are in the teens here locally. Off to the north, temperatures are holding steady in the low teens and upper single figures. And in terms of those feels like conditions, they're pretty much mirroring the air temperatures in most places because we've got an area of high pressure that is building in and that has really worked to calm down our winds. Big storm system on the way for the middle of the week. This precipitation will begin arriving on Tuesday in the form of rain. Widespread rain then later Tuesday night into Wednesday as that low pressure center tracks overhead. We're going to see some gusty winds here during the day Wednesday as well. Backside of the system wraps in the colder air, so we do finish this system with some snow moving in late Wednesday night into the early part of the day Thursday. We dry out with a return to some sunshine on Thursday afternoon. Friday and Saturday, fairly quiet weather conditions around. And if you're somebody who's winter weary and looking forward to some much warmer weather by the middle of March, this takes us into the second week of March. The cold air pools out west, much warmer than average temperatures from the central to the eastern United States, including the Great Lakes. And I'm anticipating several days with highs in the 50s to possibly even some of our first 60s of the season. So just be patient a little longer.